Guys, I'm out here with my favorite aunt and we're about to do another client reveal, so stay tuned. All right, everybody, this is Miss Kathy. We are doing her client reveal. You want to give a little bit of background about your furniture piece?
Yes, this is a footstool that I inherited from my sister. Passed away 8 years ago, and that's one of the footstool that was given to me by her daughter. So I had it. I knew I wanted to get it restored, but the time is now, and I don't know why, but the time is now, and I'm so glad that I have done it, and I am expecting something outstanding from Madison Furniture.
Ready? Yep, just pull it.
This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is gorgeous. It looks brand new. It just looks so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I knew how much this meant to you. Here, I'll take this. So I just got a little gift for you. The one in the paper. Yep, pull the paper out. Yes, so the middle piece, whether you want to hang it on, the middle piece is the original fabric from the stool.
Yes.
And then of course around it is the new fabric.
Yes.
So I kind of thought this would be like you embracing your sister.
Oh, wow. Wow.
So you can put it on a table, or you can hang it up. I put the things in the back of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
very much. Oh my, okay.
She couldn't wait.
Okay.
She couldn't wait to sit on it, everybody.
I had to do it.